हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ सरस्वती इंग्लिश एकेडमी। ऑनलाइन क्लासेज के अंदर हमारा जो वी आर लर्निंग साउंड ए ई आई ओ यू एंड बिफोर सम वीडियोज वी हैव टू completed many sounds a e i o u and we know that where we use a and where we use a sound the, and in this videos we have to learn which sound is coming, which vowel sound is coming a e i o u. Okay dear students, now we start to learn videos. We have to learn videos. First we read poem, then we make question and answer. Okay. Kim has a kit. The boy name Kim. Kim has a kit. Kim has a kit. The pin is in the kit. The pin is in the kit. Kim has a kit. The what is name? Kim has a kit. Kim has a kit and the pin is in the kit. What is this? This is pin. This is pin in the kit and he dig a pit. Kim dig a pit and he put the kit in the pit and he put the kit in the pit. किम हैज ए किट. किम के पास में किट है एंड किट के अंदर एक किट पिन है. उसने फिर एक डिग गड्ढा खोदा और फिर उस पीट को जो है उसमें डाल दिया. किस में डाल दिया डियर स्टूडेंट्स? बॉक्स में, गड्ढे में. ओके, सो वी रीड स्किल टेस्ट. जस्ट रन read again. Kim has a kit. The pin is in the kit. He dig a pit and he put the kit in the pit. Skill test. Circle the correct name of picture. Correct name of picture. जो पिक्चर्स हैं उसको देख के हमें जो है सर्कल बनाने हैं. क्या बनाने हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स? सर्कल. ओके. What is this picture? Hit, kit not, sit not. The player making hit. Hit which mean मारना. Hit which mean मारना. Okay, तो we make circle hit. Then next, what is this? Fig, dig या wig. What is this dear students? What is this? This is, ये क्या है? This is wig. This is wig. Okay, make a circle around the wig. Then next, what is this? Zip, no. Lip, no. Tip. What is this? This is tip. This is tip. Make a circle. Then next, nib, no. Bib, no. And rib, yes. The next letter is rib. R-I-B. R-I-B. Make a circle around the rib. In this way, in this page we have to complete the work. And Kim has a kit. The pin is in the kit and he dig a pit and he put the kit in the pit. And next question, circle the correct name of the picture. Player is hitting. That this picture is wig and this picture is tip and this picture of rib. Okay dear students, you write all lines and all spellings in your 4 lines notebook. Never forget to write all spellings in your 4 lines notebook. 4 lines की notebook में लिखें. Now we start next page. Next questions. Read the sound and circle the words they belong it. साउंड को पढ़ के जो वर्ड्स हैं उसके सर्कल बनाना है. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी स्टार्ट टू मेक क्वेश्चंस टू आंसर. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. रीड द साउंड द एंड सर्कल द वर्ड्स बिलोंग. LIP, lip. Which spelling you find lip? IP, ip. DIG, dig, no. SIP, sheep, yes. In this spelling we find IP. ip, to sheep. What is this? Sheep. So you make circle around the sheep. And fi and fin, no, there is no ip. Then next letter id, pi and pin, no, there is no pin. Then second letter ti and tin, no, there is no tin. And hid, hid, yes. Then end of spelling we find id, so hid is right, so you make circle around these spellings. Then next letter ix, jeep, no, 6, yes, there is ix, I and x, in this spellings we find 6. Pit, no, match the pictures with their name. Okay, what is this? This picture is fig, fig, fig which mean fruits. This is fig. And sheet and lips and kit and bib and 6. Okay, you make it. This picture is fig, so you match the fig. Then next, lady is sit, lady is sit, so make pictures, match it. Sit which mean बैठना, and lip which mean hot. Then next letter 6 which means chair, and kit which mean kit, and bib. What is this picture? This picture is bib. Okay, write it. Complete the series. What we do with these questions? Complete the series. इसमें हमें series complete करना है. Hip and ship, 2 words we find. Then next word jeep, zip, jeep. Okay. Then next, which spelling come? zip, jeep. You find? No. lip, leaf. lip, leaf. Then win, tin. Then next, pin. Then next, fin. Okay, complete this work. Fit, yes. Lit, yes, 2 spelling we find. Then next, int, pit. Pit spelling we find it. And then next, kit, kit. Okay, dear students, in this way we have to complete these questions. Our first questions, read the sound and circle the words they belongs. Sound को पढ़ना है and जो sound जिस letters के आ रहे हैं उस पर circle करना है. तो IP you find in sheep, so we make circle sheep, and ID you find HID, heed, and IX in 6. In this way we have to complete these questions. Then our next questions, match the pictures with the name. Fig which mean fruits, lady which means sit, and lips which mean hot, 6 which mean chair, kit, this is kit and this is fib. Okay, then complete the series. Hip, sheep, jeep, leap. Okay, then next, win, tin, pin, and fin. Then next, fit, lit, pit, and kit. Okay, do this work in your 4 lines notebook. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and complete the work. Then next questions, Kim has a kit. The pin is in the kit. He dig a pit and he put the kit in the pit. Skill test. Circle the correct name of the picture. Player is hit. For doing this player is hit. And which picture? Wig. And this what we say? Tip. And which is our rib. What is this? This is our rib. So dear students, in this way we have to complete the sound A, E, I, and next videos we want to see the next vowels U. Okay, so you complete this work in your 4 lines notebook. And dear student, you also want more things. Today I give you some special work for special students, my class 1st and 2nd. Okay, what is your work? You know? What is know? What is your work? Just wait, I will give you. Dear students, your work that you write 1 line and complete 1 page in your 4 lines notebook. You write Kim has a kit. Kim has a kit. Kim has a kit की ये लाइन आपको एक पेज पे लिखनी है शुरुआती एंड इसका 1 पेज कंप्लीट करना है. दिस इज़ योर इंग्लिश हैंड राइटिंग वर्क, जिसको शुल्क वर्क भी आप बोल सकते हैं. तो किम हैज ए किट, इस लाइन को लिख के इसका पूरा पेज कीजिए. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट पेज पे द पिन इज इन द किट. द पिन इज इन द किट, ये लाइन लिख के इसका पूरा पेज कीजिए. इन दिस वे यू इफ यू डू दिस वर्क ना, योर हैंड राइटिंग विल बी इम्प्रूव. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस प्रकार से हमने पोइम्स के अंदर क्वेश्चंस आए, वो क्वेश्चंस हमने सॉल्व किए एंड हमने वॉवल्स जो पढ़े ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू, उस वॉवल को भी हमने क्वेश्चंस के अकॉर्डिंग हमने शेड किया और लर्न किए. और इस प्रकार से हमने वॉवल 5 होते हैं ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू, और इसके अंदर हमने ए, ई और आई का प्रोनाउंसिएशन हमने सीख लिया. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम यू और ओ और यू के प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीखेंगे. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वीडियो को एंड तक देखें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल जो है उसको सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें एंड प्रेस द बटन लाइक बटन को प्रेस करें एंड कंप्लीट द वर्क watching by videos. Now students, careless in the lockdown time, each and every students complete the work. If you complete your work, then you get good achievement in your life. Otherwise, if you careless, you have too much work. So all the students of English medium, complete the work and watch the videos. Okay dear students, stay in home, live happy, live healthy and be safe. See you in next videos. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.